Testing one, two, three. Hey, I want to show you something that would make it a lot easier for me and probably some of the other reps. Your help center screen, it stays locked. So if I'm watching it over here, it's playing.
Businesses. So every business, every
Shut the
client or
volume off
business
so
that
you
I
can hear it.
represent, I'm going to add in here by simply clicking on Add Business and filling in.
Okay, so I'm watching it, but I can't read anything there. I can't see anything there. And then I want to move to where the next screen is over here, and I can't see where it is because I couldn't. Well, anyway, so what I would do is make it full screen, and then try to follow it along that way, and then go back to small screen and try to do it over there. But it would be so much easier if I could pull these screens apart and make this one as big as I want to. I do have two monitors, and using two monitors is great, but only if these things come apart. So they don't come apart, so I can't do that. So what I wind up doing is I'll open this screen again on my second monitor, and that way I could watch that way. Okay, that's my beat for today. Thank you.